Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, and just click on link number 2 in the video's description and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3 and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Come, Now is the Time to Worship. If you haven't already, click on link number 1 in this video's description and that'll open up a chord chart that you'll need to follow along with this tutorial. I'm going to demonstrate the song on guitar, but you can use any instrument that you choose because we're going to be focusing on the timing of the chords, and the timing of the chords is the same for every instrument. Now, I'm going to start by playing through the chorus, and as I demonstrate the chorus, you're going to see the chords and the number of beats per chord displayed on the screen so that you can write them down. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is the time to worship. Come, now is the time to give your heart. Come, just as you are to just as you are before your God. Come. Now the verses are going to have the same timing, so I'm just going to demonstrate the first verse, and that's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One day every tongue will confess you are God. One day every knee will bow. Still the greatest treasure remains for those who gladly choose you now. And holding that chord out for the extra measure is optional. You could do it shorter, just depending on your personal taste and the context of where you're doing it. So that just about does it. And now that we've gone through every part of the song that we need to go through, I'm just going to practice through the entire thing so that you have an opportunity to play along with me using the same chord chart that I'm playing from. And if you think you're going to have trouble keeping up at my tempo, not a problem. Just go into the playback settings menu of this video and slow me down to 0.75x, which will make me sound really terrible, but all I care is that you can keep up. And once you've got it at 0.75x, then you could speed it up to normal speed. It'll sound a little bit better then. All right, let's begin. I'll count us in a little faster than I've been playing up to this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, D. Chorus. Come, now is the time to worship. Come, now is the time to give your heart. Come, just as you are to worship. Just as you are before your God. Come. We're going to play both verses back to back. One day every tongue will confess you are God. One day every knee will bow. Still the greatest treasure remains for those who gladly choose you now. Verse 2. Willingly we choose to surrender our lives. and we're going to end with just a D and come. Come. End here. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.